The document says that this person has got only 3 insurance policies. He doesn't have a bank account. He happens to be a member of the parliament. He must be having.
Yes.
Why is it not reflected in the report? What type of report have you prepared? Are you a post office? Somebody has forwarded it and you have simply printed it out?
These
This
are the
is
only-
what the court wants to know regarding the speed in which you all are conducting the investigations. Why? When the court directed for production of the list of assets, the court is trying to point out that you all are not proceeding in the right earnest. I don't know the reason why. The court directed for the affidavit of assets of the company, its members and directors and everybody. Did you not have the required documents with you prior to passing the court's order?
Some of the documents.
Please bring the microphone in front of you so that everybody can hear you.
Some of the documents in respect of sale deeds and copy of deeds in the form of property deed were seized from the premises of the Leaps and Bounds.
Was seized?
Yes.
When was it seized?
21st August.
21st of
Yes.
August.
Yes.
Apart from seizing a few documents,
Yeah.
did you not take note of the list of assets of the company? Because you have issued a press note saying that this company is involved in dubious transactions. So you must be having some records with you to come to a conclusion that the company is running dubious transactions.
That was the basis of the money trail, finding out after the charge sheet filed by the Sujay Krishna Bhadra
Yes.
Yes. and the scrutiny of the bank accounts documents of the Leaps and Bounds.
But then you did not have the list of assets. Now you have one which has been forwarded by the learned advocate representing one of the members of the, or one of the directors
Yes.
of the company.
Yes.
Let us go through it.
Okay.
You have a copy?
Yes. Details of the property.
This is what the court wants to know regarding the speed in which you all are conducting the investigations. Why? When the court directed for production of the list of assets, I expected that it will come from you, because by this time you ought to have had the list of documents, list of assets of the company. You did not.
But ma'am,
So you called for, and this is what that has been supplied.
some of the documents we have, but not all details.
Is it not required?
No, I am trying, ma'am, and
You are trying.
collecting because last search was conducted, and then after we are going against this company for procuring the list of bank accounts and list of property, and
Factory.
in the meantime,
Yes, in the meantime,
legal matters is also going on.
they will go on parallelly,
Okay.
because there will be attempts to stall the investigation.
I will submit all the details, ma'am.
It is not a matter of you submitting details. It's a matter of you collecting evidences. Right? The factory, whether license was issued, whether permission was obtained for raising construction, how much is the area, what is the purpose of the factory, nothing is here. Plant and machinery, absolute blank. Investment in quoted shares, where are the details? Nothing is there.
Ma'am, details yet to be received.
You have it?
No.
You don't have it. Air conditioners, list of assets, air conditions are coming, details not received. 4 motor cars and 2 goods carrier, no details. And a cycle is also there. Is it a tricycle?
Ma'am, this is
It must be a tricycle. Had it been a bicycle or a motorcycle, it would have been written, the number would have been there. So it's a tricycle. What?
I don't know, ma'am.
Or it's a Harley Davidson.
This list is received from third party.
The court is trying to point out
Ji.
that you all are not proceeding in the right earnest. I don't know the reason why. I'll come to the next one. 3, list of the directors. The names of the directors are there.
जी.
Serial number 1. From 19th of April 2012 till date. Did you inquire from this person? Any inquiry done?
No, it's being conducted.
What is conducted?
Inquiry in respect of the
Did you inquire from serial number 1? No. Why? Who stopped you?
bank accounts of all the have been received and being scrutinized. Bank account.
You receive it and you keep it in your custody. What is the purpose of receiving these
No, ma'am.
details?
No, ma'am. There should be a connection between the proceeds of crime and property and the person. And I am.
But how will you understand that whether there is a connection or not till you inquire into the matter? The next one, Sujoy Krishna Bhadro. He was there from 19th April 12 till 1st of March 2016.
I mean, he has been arrested by me.
Listen,
By ED.
what prompted you to arrest him? He left the job in 2016 and the first one is there till date. You did not feel it expedient to inquire from the first one?
Oh, ma'am. On the basis of earlier statement given by some of the accused person who is in judicial custody and arrested by ED, we found out this person was involved in money laundering. And then their bank statement, their details were scrutinized, and on the basis of certain details and extraction of his mobile data, we were in position to connect this person with the proceeds of crime, and therefore he was arrested.
You,
And then after,
yes.
role of leaps and bounds were surfaced.
Now you have got to know the role of leaps and bounds. Why will you not inquire from the other directors also? You can get some inputs. Somebody who is still the director of the company, you do not inquire anything from him or her. You inquire from the person. That is all right. But then why don't you inquire from them also? They are responsible. They are the directors of the company.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you not conducting the investigation? This Sujoy Krishna Bhadro was arrested in May, you said. There was a voice recording done. Did you get the result of the voice recording? Did you conduct the test?
No, ma'am.
Why?
He was admitted in hospital and operation was done, and now he is in.
And now the voice is going to change and now you will not be able to get hold of him? What do you want? You want the investigation to go, or you want it to be delayed in such a manner so that all the evidences are lost?
Wants the investigation to go.
Tell me one thing. Are you all trained in this conducting these type of investigations? Are you all trained? I just want to inquire for my satisfaction. Are you all trained? Now the list of assets of Shri Abhishek Banerjee. And this is what has been forwarded. And I'm going to record this in the order.
Okay.
That he has only 3 insurance policies and he does not have any other assets.
Okay.
Is it so?
Even till date.
Till date?
Till date.
What do you mean to say by till date?
That means I am investigating all.
Investigating is different. Investigating is different. This is what has been supplied by his advocate. That this person has got only 3 insurance policies. He doesn't have a bank account. He happens to be a member of the parliament. He must be having.
Yes. His bank accounts have been received and being scrutinized, and on the basis of that, we are.
These are not reflected in the list of assets that has been forwarded by the person concerned.
But I have received from the concerned authorities.
Why is it not reflected in the report? What type of report have you prepared? Are you a post office? Somebody has forwarded it and you have simply printed it out? You ought to have, the court wanted to know what are the list of assets. Why will you not give all the things that the information that you have with you? I was shocked to know that only 3 insurance policies are there. and he is a member of the parliament. He must be having a bank account where his salary is being credited.